Now I'm going to switch over and show a quick demo of the workspace. And when you first download the Buildium integrated workspace, you're going to see that it's going to load all of your data from Buildium into monday.com, and you'll get a nice, basic dashboard here showing some of the information that you may care about. And what I really want to focus on here is, let's go over to the left-hand side, and you're going to see that your workspace is broken up into two folders here: your database boards and your workflow boards. So on that slide I showed you before about that property management lifecycle, those are your workflow boards right here. Okay, so we have a board for every one of those processes that you need. And down here on the database boards, if we click in, you're going to see that your information is actually pulled right over from Buildium into Monday. For example, we have our leases here, and you can see all of that Buildium information is coming over: your start and end date, your days out, lease statuses, what type of lease it is, etc. As well as your tenant balances, which I'll cover a little more on the delinquencies process here in a minute. Also on the units board, you can see that we have a lot of that unit information that we want to bring over. So there's a lot of columns in here that are owned by Buildium. If that information lives in Buildium, then it's owned by Buildium in Monday and it's locked, but you're able to add additional information into it. So I'm going to click into this item here and show you a little bit about how we use our item cards in Monday. So as you can see, this unit here, 150 Main Street, has a lot of information in here about our utilities, our HOAs, other information about air conditioning, heating, and gas. So these are actually additional columns that we've added into this board that are populating through other workflows like the onboarding board. One other view I'd like to show you, I'm going to go over to the renewals board, and we're going to click into one of these. And you're going to see how we're using our item cards in monday.com. Okay, so when you click into an item, this is called an item card, and we're really setting up your item card as if it was an SOP or your work instructions to do the job. Okay, so you go through here and you set up what steps you would do on each one of these workflow boards, and make it really easy for your staff to have something to just follow to do the job.